Ever found yourself drowning in a sea of Instagram DMs, answering the same questions over and over again? The first business to reply back often wins the customer. Well, fear not, our Smash AI chatbot is here to rescue you. Our all-purpose chatbot helps you capture leads, set appointments, allow customers to purchase and provide customer support. Simply press message from your business profile or swipe up from your stories to initiate our chatbot. Once initiated, customers can easily learn more about our products or request a call back. But let's dive into how users can make an order with our chatbot. First, they choose an occasion. Then, they browse through a beautiful carousel of products tailored to their chosen occasion. Next, users input their personal details. The captured details are securely stored in their chosen database. But wait, there's more. An email is automatically sent to both the client and the customer with the order requirements. The client can process the order immediately using the information from the email, and the customer can have peace of mind knowing that their order is confirmed. Let Smash AI chatbot revolutionize your Instagram business today.